What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna give you the giveaway results and also the channel update. So as you might have probably noticed, I have changed the name of the channel from All About Street Photography to About Photography channel, and it was mostly because with the future videos I plan to do, I just wanted to get more into not only street photography but also a little more into like regular like landscape and other types of photography. Like I'm working right now on a video about Ansel Adams and such, so I thought this would better represent the idea behind the channel. I also redesigned the web page, so feel free to check it out. You can find all the videos and articles in the written form there. I was also thinking about doing a little different type of content, not in the sense of not doing photography content, but in a sense of how I want to cut the video and the scenes and everything. So I'm just working on it right now, so I hope you're gonna like it. Also, as you have probably noticed, I have turned the monetization on, so my videos are now monetized, and the reason for that is because I have been doing this for quite some time, and I just thought like I can use that small amount of money I'm going to get from the videos to maybe upgrade the gear and step up a little bit the production. Also with the giveaways I buy all the books myself and give them away, so that's quite some expense, and I thought like, well, maybe if those videos can help to pay for the books, I can actually buy like more expensive books and give them away. So I hope you're gonna like it as well, and hope you understand. You might see ads on my videos. About the book reviews, I'm happy you like it, and I'm gonna do more book reviews in the future. So far I have been able to do giveaways only for the cheaper books because, as I said before, I'm paying that from my own money and it's not sponsored in any way. That being said, I will be happy to receive photo books for review that I can later give away. Anyways, that's it for this kind of update. I'm now going to switch to computer and pick the winners. Congratulations to everyone, and I will be looking forward to see you in my next videos. So this is actually the first website I have found, and if you know a better one, just let me know. You just enter the link of the video and it will pick a random comment. So let's try it with the first one. Okay. Okay, so the real Sir Robin is actually the owner of the book who I bought it from, so I'm probably not gonna send him the book back, so we'll reroll for another winner. Okay, and then congratulations, Vim Verheij. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. I will contact you under your comment and then we will talk all the details. Now let's do the other video. And the theGarinator, congratulations. Thank you for your comment. And for the Eyeshot magazine, I actually have 2 issues which I'm going to give away. So let's see who is the first winner. Isabella Benton, congratulations. And now I'm going to pick the second winner. And the second winner is MS. Okay, so thank you all for participating. By the way, I'm gonna probably have another Eyeshot magazine giveaway next week, and more giveaways are coming. I'm working on that new style I was talking about, and I'll be looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.